guys, hi pet owners and lovers. This is a quick review on the Waterless No Rinse Shampoo. This is a pet-friendly formula, pH balanced, paraben, and alcohol-free. First of all, I have to mention the coconut lye verbena smell. It smells incredible. It keeps our dog and our cats, because we use it on our cats too, smelling awesome. It is an oatmeal formula, so it moisturizes our dry skin and relieves itch. Our dogs and our cats haven't been itchy in forever because we use this. It's specifically for when we can't give them a bath or it's not the time yet. We have an Australian cattle dog, so they're not supposed to be bathed all the time, but he still starts smelling, so we use this waterless shampoo on him. The directions says to pump the foam into your palm of your hand. We actually use one of those hand brushes that they usually sell at any convenience store, things like that, and we apply the shampoo all over him and we wait till it dries. We also tend to brush him before and after a little bit to get it all over his coat. So it's formulated with plant-based cleaners. I've saw the reviews and a lot of people say that they didn't have the ingredient list, so here it is if you guys want to pause and take a look at it. But there's no rinse necessary. It is a great pick-me-up for when your dog or your pets smell bad and you just want them to smell really nice. So there you go.